So we're going to continue where we left off in the last video, back onto the takeoff drawing. So feature right here is a full view, so you can select it, see the full view of the page that you're looking at. Exit out if you want to go. If you wanted to bring in an image file, like a PNG or TRF, you would select from image file. You can also import multiple PDFs at one time. It's just a new feature. So you would select that, select the file, and let's say that this is split out. So you can batch import, holding the Shift key down, a selection of files, and hit OK and import. We're going to import these 7 pages. And that keeps you from having to import them one at a time if you wanted to add to the list. So we're going to give it a second to import, then we're going to talk about that. Okay, so now we've added these 7 pages just randomly selected, and we can see that there are M pages. That was just by luck. I didn't know what the pages were. In reality, they wouldn't be of any use to the electrical, but you can still reveal them to see if there's anything on them that you might make. So also another feature is if you hold the Shift key and use your roller mouse, the screen goes left to right now. So you have up and down, the zoom, and then left to right, all from the mouse. Was a pretty good feature. Again, you would want to rename just as something reasonable in Mode 1.1. For now, you know what the sheets can be. So you can keep adding multiple files just by selecting them. So you're not limited anymore to just one series of uploads. So I'll just upload one drawing in addition to these drawings. And it's going to be a lighting symbol drawing where then I go to the lighting page. And that's what I'm looking for. So I'll be good to go. So now I just would go select, create takeoff, and new. My name's already given. That's going to save time on some other new feature. Select the page that you want to work on, and you're good to go. You also have the same mouse control on your takeoff page. So if you hold the control key down, you can zoom. Shift key, you can left to right. You can go up and down. So you have full control. Thanks for watching. That's about it.